副词。
Adverb.
Adverb.
有点儿。有点儿。
A little too.
A little too.
有点小。有点小。
A bit small.
A bit small.
那件红色的衣服有点小，给我妹妹了。那件红色的衣服有点小，给我妹妹了。
The red dress is a bit small, so I gave it to my sister.
The red dress is a bit small, so I gave it to my sister.
有点儿大。有点儿大。
A bit big.
A bit big.
这件白色的衣服有点儿大，有小一点的吗？这件白色的衣服有点儿大，有小一点的吗？
This white dress is a bit big. Do you have a smaller one?
This white dress is a bit big. Do you have a smaller one?
有点儿累。有点儿累。
A little tired.
A little tired.
今天有点儿累，我不去游泳了。今天有点儿累，我不去游泳了。
I'm a little tired today, so I won't go swimming.
I'm a little tired today, so I won't go swimming.
有点儿贵。有点儿贵。
A bit expensive.
A bit expensive.
我喜欢这块手表，但是有点儿贵。我喜欢这块手表，但是有点儿贵。
I like this watch, but it is a bit expensive.
I like this watch, but it is a bit expensive.
有点儿冷。有点儿冷。
A little cold.
A little cold.
外面下雨，今天天气有点儿冷。外面下雨，今天天气有点儿冷。
It's raining outside. It's a little cold today.
It's raining outside. It's a little cold today.
有点儿长。有点儿长。
A bit long.
A bit long.
这条牛仔裤有点儿长，需要改一下。这条牛仔裤有点儿长，需要改一下。
These jeans are a bit long and need to be modified.
These jeans are a bit long and need to be modified.
有点儿苦。有点儿苦。
A bit bitter.
A bit bitter.
这杯茶有点儿苦，我不想喝。这杯茶有点儿苦，我不想喝。
This cup of tea is a bit bitter. I don't want to drink it.
This cup of tea is a bit bitter. I don't want to drink it.
有点儿高。有点儿高。
A little high.
A little high.
那本书放的有点儿高，你能帮我拿下来吗？那本书放的有点儿高，你能帮我拿下来吗？
That book is a little high. Can you help me get it down?
That book is a little high. Can you help me get it down?
有点儿瘦。有点儿瘦。
A little thinner.
A little thinner.
你最近常常运动，看起来有点儿瘦了。你最近常常运动，看起来有点儿瘦了。
You have been exercising a lot recently. You look a little thinner.
You have been exercising a lot recently. You look a little thinner.
有点儿饿。有点儿饿。
A little hungry.
A little hungry.
我有点儿饿了。我们去饭店吃饭吧。 我有点饿了。我们去饭店吃饭吧。
I'm a little hungry. Let's go to a restaurant for dinner.
I'm a little hungry. Let's go to a restaurant for dinner.
有点旧。有点旧。
A bit old.
A bit old.
这张照片有点旧。这张照片有点旧。
This photo is a bit old.
This photo is a bit old.
有点疼。有点疼。
A little pain.
A little pain.
我的腿有点疼。我们休息一下吧。我的腿有点疼。我们休息一下吧。
My leg hurts a little. Let's take a rest.
My leg hurts a little. Let's take a rest.
有点晚。有点晚。
A little late.
A little late.
最近爸爸很忙。回来有点晚。最近爸爸很忙。回来有点晚。
Dad is very busy recently, so he came back a little late.
Dad is very busy recently, so he came back a little late.
有点发烧。有点发烧。
A little fever.
A little fever.
你有点发烧，需要吃药。你有点发烧，需要吃药。
You have a fever and need medicine.
You have a fever and need medicine.
有点害怕。有点害怕。
A little scared.
A little scared.
这儿又黑又冷。我有点害怕。这儿又黑又冷。我有点害怕。
It's dark and cold here. I'm a little scared.
It's dark and cold here. I'm a little scared.
有点生气。有点生气。
A little offended.
A little offended.
你跟他开玩笑。他有点生气。你跟他开玩笑。他有点生气。
You joked with him. He got a little offended.
You joked with him. He got a little offended.
有点不高兴。有点不高兴。
A little unhappy.
A little unhappy.
他看起来有点不高兴。他看起来有点不高兴。
She looked a little unhappy.
She looked a little unhappy.
谢谢观看。